Hi everyone, I am Mustafa. We are together again in a new video. In this video, we will learn how to use the debugger. Why we use the debugger? In macroflow and nanoflow, everything is okay or not. For example, if there is something is wrong with the macroflow, to see step by step how it works. Let me show an example. And there is a button here. When you go to the debugger tab and when you see the connect button, when you click here, after I run this one, this selection will be work automatically because here's the default selection. If you want to use the Mendix cloud order for your production, you will select this one and you will get in the your debugger URL and password, and also we will learn how to we can get this information. First, let's start with the locally. Let's run it. What's this? Something is wrong. What's that? Just save and continue. Yes, okay, no problem. Okay, before go to the view app, just I will click here at breakpoint and I will see the step by step what's happening in my macro flow. Just view app, mx admin and one password. Let's go. Yes, when I click here, when I click the step info, every step will go. For example, step, and when I click step info, he will go to the inside the step flow and like this step by step and will be over like this. Okay, again, I will click here. Then if I click here, step over, it won't go to the inside the step macro flow. Let me show, and as you see, goes to directly. When I click step out, it will be the step out of the macro flow. Yeah, this one is the works like this. And let's see the how it works. Let's stop this one. How this one works. What I will need, I will need a URL, debugger URL for the production and password. Which password I will show you. Let's go to the, let me close this one. I don't need this one. Yeah, let's go to the your our app and also go to the environment. This is the another app example just to show, I want to show. If you go to your app, if you don't see it, if you see it like this, if show debugger information is inactive, this means that you haven't published your app yet. I mean, you should publish before. After that, it will be activated. Now let me close this one. This one is the, what is that? Yeah, as you see, published app. Now, show debugger information. There is error. Why I see this error? Let me show. Because this is the free version. For that reason, as you see, it is sleeping now, and also firstly, I should wake it up. After wake it up, and I want to show the, this is also license production. After you, yeah, when you, if you have the license production, you will go to the environment, and also when you click here, and as you see, you will see the show debugger information here. If you have license app. Okay, let's go to let's go on with the free version. Yes. Okay. Now it is open now. Now I will click here, show debugger information. It will work, and also it will give me a URL and password. I will copy this one and paste here, and I will copy this one, paste here. This is not every time. You can't use this one every time. You can use this like an access token. This be, this will be expired after you finish everything. Maybe after you close everything. Every time you should refresh this one. Okay, let's close this one and okay. I see. Yeah, as well as I understand, it's connected. Now let's go to the app, the production app, and let's get in. Okay, okay, never mind this one. And move all to the. I will click the my button. Sorry, why it didn't work? Because I changed this one, so is unable. So I should make this one enable for that reason. Because I changed the connection. Now again, yes, as you see, I can check my production macro flow. It works or not. Yes. Yeah, I forgot the something. Just I will go to the production again and I will run it. Now I will go to here. When we get the step info or something else, we will check the data from here. At least as you see, so many data, and there is a filter here. Step over. Okay, what's happening? Okay. Okay, step info, and let's check open is 0, and also you can check the data from variables. If you want, you will see your variables here. You can move to variables right side, and also you can control better. I think. Just let me show how you will do, and you will move. Probably yours will be like this, and if you want, you can do like this. Just okay. Now that will be more practically for you. Okay. Yes, friend. If you want, you can use like this, and also on your production macro flow and nano flow. It's so useful. If I click here, disconnected. If I again connect, you can connect, but after you close everything, you can connect again. You should create a new password. That's all what I will tell. I hope it's helpful for you. See you next videos.